is up, guys? This is Alexander Bunkley. Thank you for following me. To all my new subscribers, hope y'all had a great day. It's a beautiful Friday. I know, another video in a row, but I'm gonna keep this coming as much as I can, y'all. Thank you for watching my content thus far, but I'm gonna break down the last video because I realized I didn't really break it down too far. I'm gonna break down a single family home and some benefits to house hacking your single family home, or moving out of your single family home and house hacking that to rent out. But let's slow it down a little bit. We'll reel it back. I'm also going to go over renting when you're in an apartment or a house and you have an extra bedroom and you want to use one of my house hacking tips, such as Airbnb. Now, Airbnb is something I want to go over specifically, and I'll make its own video for that. I also want to make a video about house hacking the mobile units or mobile houses, or just in general a tiny home, something very efficient, something that's 20 to 30 grand. Maybe you can pay it off in 3 or 4 years and have a place to live, only paying property taxes for the rest of your life. Say you want to live a free lifestyle just like that. I'll go over that in a specific video just so I can break down those numbers way more. But I'm going to bring you guys to the whiteboard and I'll break down more on there. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Let's just say your single family home rent was $1,000 a month and you had an $850 deposit, which you most likely won't get back most of that. It's going to leave you $1,850. $1,000 times 12 months, so you live there for 1 year. That's $12,000. If you put it that way, that seems like quite a bit of money to me. So let's say that you bought a $75,000 home. Now, ignore this for now. This is going to be your mortgage. Annual, you're looking at $4,296.72. But you also have to factor in your insurance and property tax. And let's just say off a $75,000 home insurance would be around $80 a month and property tax would be around $120 a month. That's going to leave you at $2,400 for the year. So total, you're looking at $6,696.72. Now, come over here. You were paying $12,000 a year for rent. Now, you also put down that deposit. Don't forget that. That's $850 you'll probably never see again. And it would cost you around $1,200 a month for a property manager. This leaves you at your total. That's how much you would gain a year just by buying a $75,000 property if you're paying $1,000 for rent. I know you're thinking, dang, almost $5,500? That's quite a bit of money, guys. Now I'm going to break down what that would look like if you applied it towards your principal. Now remember, principal is anything that you pay towards your house that you don't pay to the bank. It's going towards your home equity, which home equity is what you personally as a homeowner own in your home in value. So if your home goes up in value, you gain equity without even paying anything. All right, guys, so let's take that $75,000 condo, right? You apply that $5,500 every year towards the principal payment. I'll break that down over here. So in your first year, you're at $75,000. You're looking at $108 is going to go towards your principal, which is what you own on the home. $250 is going to go to the bank as your loan. Now, let's just imagine that you had this house and you're working on paying that $5,500 forward. It would take you about 3 years to get down to the 10th year of your loan. That means you'd pay off 10 years of your loan just by using the surplus that you have from not paying rent. In the 10th year, you'll be at $60,825. And you'd get there in 3 years. And that's without applying the principal payments that you have to pay toward your loan every single month, because you have to make your payments or else you lose your home. And you would get there in less than 3 years with the principal payments. Awesome, guys. Now, to summarize all this, this is why I went the route to using my VA loan. And this is why I went the route to buy a home. It's simple math here, guys. You're not taught this in school. You're honestly not taught this in school. They want you to be an employee. They don't want you to have this knowledge. You have to go get it yourself. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. It is a beautiful day out. Thanks for watching my video, y'all. Hit that subscribe button, please.